Hi students, last class we have discussed about the word problem of a pair of a linear equation in two variable that is related to the speed and time. So it is most important exam point of view. Anyone or two questions will come definitely in exam, that is 4 marks. So let us discuss how to find out the speed and time. This is a different. So last session we had discussed about the speed of a car A and B, and before that session we had discussed about the how to find out the upstream and downstream and what is the speed of the boat and stream. So in this session we will discuss how to find out the speed of the train and distance of the train. So let us see what they given and what you have to find out. So first, a train cover a certain distance at a uniform speed if the train would have been 10 km faster. Suppose the train make the speed of 10 km faster, it would have to taken 2 hours less the scheduled time. For example, you want to cover the 100 km, so you have to increase your speed, means you will have to reach before that scheduled time. Next one condition is given, and if the train were slow by the 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. So find the distance covered by the train. Suppose here it is a logic or it is a common thing. Suppose you have to increase the speed of the bike or train, means automatically you have to reach before the scheduled time. Suppose second one condition is given. Suppose you have to decrease the speed of the train or bike or car, means automatically it will take the more time of the scheduled time. So here given first one condition only that given. Here a train cover a certain distance of a uniform speed. What is the distance is not given here. Certain distance is given at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. This is the first condition. Next one condition is if the train were slower by the 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. So I have to find out here what is the distance covered by the train. So let us see how to find out the distance and speed of the train by speed and time method. Let us discuss. So first step, that is solution. Let the speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour. This is the first step. The speed of the train x kilometer per hour, and distance you have to find out. Distance is also not given, that's why I have to take here distance. Let the distance covered by train equal to y kilometer. I consider the first step. The speed of a train is x kilometer per hour and the distance covered by the train, that is y kilometer. So what is the formula? Time equal to distance by speed, or speed equal to distance by time, or speed into time equal to distance. Whatever you have to write any one equation or any one equation you have to keep in our mind, that is time equal to distance by speed. So this is the formula of distance formula or speed formula, time formula. Time equal to distance by speed. This is the formula. Or you can take this one, this first equation. According to the first one equation, you can create the equation in pair of linear equation in two variable. According to the first one condition, first condition is simple. Look at the equation. Time equal to distance by speed. So first one condition is given if the train would have been 10 km faster. Faster means more. So here speed of the train is x, but first one condition speed of the train is 10 km faster. So what is the time here? You can take t1. You can take here t1 equal to distance is same. Speed is given here. If the train would have been 10 km, if the if the train would have been 10 km faster. 10 km faster means you can take here speed. Initial speed is x. Now you have to increase the speed by 10 km per hour. That's why I have to take here x plus 10. X plus 10. D means the distance covered by the train, that is y. So you can take here, this is y. So t equal to distance means y, s means speed is increased by the 10 km per hour, initial speed is that is x. Here increased by the 10 km per hour means that is x plus 10. This is the speed of the train. This is y, distance covered by the train. So here time, so what become the time? So here it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. This is the time. So less means you can take here minus 2, more means plus 2. Suppose comparing the equation 1 means, so distance covered by the train is that is y, speed suppose you have to increase by the 10 km per hour means initially is x, increase means plus 10. So suppose you have to increase the speed means automatically it will reduce by the time. So that is scheduled time is t minus 2. So here t, this is a t. Sorry, this one is t only. T equal to distance by time. T minus 2 equal to y divided by x plus y. So here, or you can take here d means y, speed means x. So time equal to y minus x. Y by x also you can consider. So time equal to distance by speed. Distance we consider y, speed we consider the x. So this one, by using this equation you have to create the next one equation by using a pair of a linear equation in two variable. So t as it is, distance is y, speed is you have to increase by the 10 km. Initial speed is x, increase by 10 means you have to plus 10. Suppose you have to increase in speed means automatically it will decrease by the time, that is 2. T minus 2 equal to y divided by x plus 10. So this is the first one condition. Got it in this point? So t minus 2 equal to y divided by x plus 10. So are you getting me? So once again I will explain here. Time equal to distance by speed. This is the formula. Time is as it is. Distance means distance covered by the train is that is y. S is the speed of the train, that is we consider that is x. So according to the first condition is given here. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, so suppose speed you have to increase by the 10. Initial speed is x, increased speed is 10, x plus 10, distance is y. So suppose you have to increase in speed means automatically it will decrease in time, that is 2 hours less. It will take the 2 hours less by the scheduled time. So time is t as it is, scheduled time whatever you can consider, but instead of that it will take the 2 hours less. So that is less means minus 2. See here t equal to what you got in equation, that is 1, y minus y divided by x. T means you take here y by x minus 2 equal to y divided by x plus 10. Next here nothing means 1, LCM is x, y cross multiplication is 2x equal to y divided by x plus 10. Again cross multiplication means we get the equation y minus 2x into x plus 10 equal to y by x, xy. Next you have to multiply x into y, xy, y into 10, 10y. Next minus 2x into x, 2x square minus 2x square minus 2x into 10 minus 20x equal to xy. See here, this is plus xy, this is also plus xy. Suppose you have to take it from RHS to LHS means it become minus xy. That's why we cancel it. Plus xy minus xy get cancelled. So 10y minus 2x square minus 20x equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. So next you can write the equation number 2. I will have this one and write here second one equation. Second one equation is start from here. That's why I wrote the remaining part. So second one condition is can write here. According to the second condition, if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. So first you have to write the formula, you have to substitute in this equation time equal to distance by speed. So time equal to distance by speed. Distance is y, speed is x. According to the second condition, you have to change in this equation. Here, if the train is slower by the 10 km per hour, so this is the initial speed of the train, that is x. Suppose you have to decrease in speed by, that is 10 km. Suppose you have to decrease by the 10 km, means automatically time will take the more. Means this is the time. So time more means plus how much will take the more? That is 3 hours more than the scheduled time. So you have to add here plus 3. So here time equal to distance by speed. Time t as it is. Distance we consider distance covered by the train, that is y, divided by x. S means the speed of a train. Initial speed of the train is x. Suppose you have to decrease in speed by 10 km per hour, means automatically the time will increase. How much time will increase? That is 3 hours. It will take more to cover the same distance, that is plus 3. So t means what is the equation? Y by x. So you can take here t means formula y divided by x plus 3 equal to, same you have to write here, y divided by x minus 10. So remaining part I am writing. Next step you have to take the LCM. Here nothing is 1 LCM, 1 and x LCM is x, cross multiplication y into 1 y, x into 3 3x equal to y divided by x minus 10. Again cross multiplication means we will get, so y plus 3x x minus 10 equal to x into y xy. Suppose you have to simplify y into x x1 or you have to write in bracket this is also. So here nothing is equal to x into y xy, y into 10 10y plus 3 into x 3x into x 3xy plus 3 into 3x into 10, that is 30x equal to xy. First you have to multiply y into whole bracket, next you have to multiply 3x into whole bracket. So y into x xy, y into minus 10 minus 10y, 3x into x 3x square, 3x into 10 minus 30x equal to xy. Suppose next step this one plus xy, suppose you are taking from RHS to the LHS means it's become minus xy. That's why I am cancel it, eliminate it here only. xy will get cancelled. Remaining term you can write minus 10y plus 3x square minus 30 x equal to nothing is 0. This is the equation number 2. Now next step, now comparing equation 1 and 2 means equation 1 is 10y minus 2x square minus 20x equal to 0. Second one the equation is minus 10y plus 3x square minus 30x equal to 0. Suppose you have to observe the equation 1 and 2 means the coefficient of y is same, that is 10 and 10 and 1 minus 1 plus. So here not necessary to change any, or you have to multiply any number with any equation. Automatically it will reduce or it will eliminate. Minus 10y plus 10y get cancelled. 3x square minus 2x square x square minus both are minus, that is 50x equal to 0. Next one step is, suppose you have to take the common factor of these two terms means, that is common factor is x square, 1x is taken outside, remaining 1x. So this minus keep as it is, x is already taken outside, remainder is, that is 50 equal to 0. So next one is x equal to 0 or x minus 50 equal to 0. So the speed of the train is 0. It is not possible because some speed is given means the movement of the train will consider. So this is ignore it. X equal to 0. The speed will never be the 0 because the train is moving some speed. That's why I have to take x equal to minus 50 means this is for the plus 50 km per hour. So this is the speed of the train. X equal to 0, you can ignore it. It is not possible. Ignore, you can write ignore. Ignore means you can neglect it. So x equal to 50. This is the speed of the train, but you require the distance covered by the train. So substitute, put x equal to 50 in equation number 1 or 2 means you will get the speed of the train. Suppose put in equation number 1. One equation is that is 10y minus 2x square minus 20x equal to 0. So 10y minus 2 into x means so much 50 square 2 20 x means 50 equal to 0. Simplify means we get the y value. So 10y 2 into 25 25 is a sorry 5 is a 25. This 2 0 you can write minus 2 5 is 10 and 2 0 that is 1000. So next step I am writing here. Next step is so 10y being as it is minus 25 to the 50 and this remaining 2 0 outright minus 1000 equal to 0. Next one step, so 10y minus 5000 1000 that is 6000 equal to 0. So y equal to 6000 into means it become 10y. So y equal to 0 0 cancel 600 kilometers. So this is the distance covered by the train. So what is the distance covered by the train? That is 600 kilometers. Can take here to 25 to 50 and 10 to 0 30 minus 1000. So both minus means minus 6000. Minus 6000 it becomes the plus 6000 into 10 is it become divided by 10 0 0 can cancel y equal to 600 kilometers. So this type method you have to use in exam to get the answer. So suppose they will ask the speed of the train or they will ask what is the distance covered by the train or they will ask the bike or two-wheeler 4-wheeler car they will ask. So then also you have to use the same method, you will get the answer. Suppose wherever you get the doubt, just you have to pause the video and watch once again, you will clear your doubt. Suppose you are also not getting, if you have any confusion about the speed, time and distance means just you have to give the comments in comment box. I will watch and I will solve your problem. So thank you, have a nice time. Next class we will discuss some more interesting problem related to the pair of a linear equation, that is word problem. So speed and time. Thank you.